She's so insecure. She don't make love with the lights on. So insecure. She don't wanna talk about it, no. And I'm so insecure. One day she won't leave me, and she find another guy who make her happier the night. Junikiwa mate, many cheesy, many stalker, na kuhala. When you naked, I see angels, and I hope you feel the same. Cause I'm insecure, you're insecure, baby, you're so insecure, and I'm insecure, Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Insecure on the keys. I also have a guitar tutorial on this song, so if you want to go and have a look at it, here's the link. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned from it, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe before leaving. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. Well, this song is in the key of G sharp, and I will divide this tutorial into 4 parts, where I will talk about the intro, then follow with the verse, and then chorus, and then finish up with the bridge. So we'll look at those sections in that order. So on the intro, here's the progression. The progression is 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. So the 2 is A minor, D, G, then A minor, B minor. So those are the chords, and that's the progression for the intro part. So the A minor, this is just the normal way of holding the A minor chord. So on my left hand, I am playing note A with my small finger, note C with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. On my right hand, note A with my thumb, my middle finger plays note this is note C, and my small finger plays note E. So that's A minor chord. So then this is chord D. So D, this is an inversion of the D chord. So normally you'll hold your D here. When you invert it in the first form here, this is how you will hold it. So on my left hand, I am playing note F sharp with my ring finger. My middle finger plays note A, and my thumb plays note D. And then my right hand, my thumb plays note F sharp, and then my pointer finger plays note A and note D with my small finger. So that's D major chord, though first inversion of the D chord. And then the chord follows is the G chord. So this is the chord note. So my left hand plays note, small finger playing note G, B with my middle finger, and D with my thumb. And then my right hand my thumb plays note G, B with my middle finger, and note D with my small finger. So that's G major chord. So and then you will play the 2 again, and then the 3 chord. So this 3 chord is a B minor chord, though this one is an inversion. So normally you'll hold your B here, and then this is the second inversion of the B minor chord. So I have the inversions. Okay, this is B normal, B minor, and and then first inversion, and then second inversion. So here I am playing the B minor chord straight and then inversion. So this is second inversion of the B minor chord. So my left hand played note F sharp with my ring finger, and then note this is note B with my pointer finger, and note D with my thumb. Right hand F sharp with my thumb, my pointer plays note B, and D with my small finger. Oh sorry, this my middle finger will play note E. It's this, okay, F sharp, my thumb, and then note B with my middle finger, and D with my small finger. So that's B minor chord. So those are the chords and the progression for the intro. And then now the verse has okay, this is how you will play the verse. So you will start off with the 2 chord, 2, 5, 1, and then 2, 5, 6, and then 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. So those are the you know the progression. That's the progression in that on the verses. So this is how you, okay, I have already the new chord here will be the 6th chord, which is an E minor chord. So this is an inversion, first inversion of the E minor chord. So normally you'll play your E minor here. When you invert it, the first inversion version, is how you play it. So my left hand is playing note G with my small finger, and then note B with my middle finger, and note this is note E with my thumb. So E minor. Right hand note G with my thumb, note E with my pointer finger, and note B with my pointer finger, and note E with my small finger. So that's E minor chord. That's the new chord in this progression. The other chords I've already told you and shown you how to hold them. So verse starts off with the 2, 5, 1, then 2, 5, 6, then 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. So this is how. Okay, now on the rhythm of the verse, this is how you know you will sing it as you play. She's so insecure. She don't make love with the lights on. So insecure. She don't wanna talk about it. No, and I'm so insecure. One day she will leave me, and she find another guy who make her happy every night. So that's how you will sing the, you know, that verse. The key is a little bit high, so I suggest that you transpose this song and sing it a little bit low if you can't sing on high keys like I am straining. So well, that aside, so chorus, the chorus progression is 6, 5, 4, 1. Junikiwa maji, mini chizi, mini stoka, na kuhala. When you're naked, I see angels, and I hope you feel the same, cause I'm insecure, hey, and you're insecure. So that's, those are the chords for the chorus. I've already, you know, shown you how to hold those chords, so just you know, play it there. So it's E minor, D, C, and G. And then now the bridge. So this is the progression for the bridge. The bridge starts off at, okay, where I think Chimano comes in. 2, 5, 6, 6, then 2, 5, 1, 7, 4, 3. So the 2 here is a minor chord, and then you play your D chord, then A minor, A minor, A minor, D, G, F sharp, C, and then B minor. So that be where are we still so insecure? Okay, why are we still so insecure? Don't know what we're running from, and I'm breaking, but before I'm breaking, but I hope you feel the sound, I hope you see the sound. Yeah, I don't know that part, you know. So just those are the chords, and that's the progression. Well, the new chord there is this F sharp major chord. So on how to hold this chord is that I am using on my left hand, my small finger plays note F sharp, and then A sharp with my middle finger, and C sharp with my thumb. So that's my left hand. Right hand, thumb plays F sharp, and then my middle finger plays note A sharp and C sharp with my small finger. So that's F sharp major chord. So well, that's the bridge, and those are the parts that comprise that song. So I hope you have fun, you know, learning and playing that song. So guys, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you're new here to the channel, you know, make sure you subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up if you learn off of it. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.